Okay, this right here is a secret that changed my stew completely. Instead of adding crayfish at the end like usual, I decided to fry it early with the oil and pepper base first. And honestly, the flavor difference is unreal. Thereafter, you add your tomato paste, allow it to fry a bit, then you add your tomato mix, which comprises shombo, tomato fruit, onions, and every other thing. I've made a video of how to get to this stage. You can go through my channel and watch how you can achieve this tomato mix, because when you get a good prepared tomato mix, know that your stew is going to be a banger. The crayfish infuses directly into the stew from the beginning, giving it this deep smoky taste that makes every spoonful richer and more delicious. At this point, you turn thoroughly, then you add your ingredients. I cook with napa because I'm cooking goat meat stew. So I use goat meat seasoning in order to bring out the taste very well. You can use any other ingredients of your choice, but I prefer this, okay? So after putting my ingredients, then I proceed to add my protein, which is the goat meat. Thereafter, you add water, then allow it to boil. If you've never tried this method before, trust me, you are missing out. This little step can seriously elevate your stew game from normal to abeg, who cooked this? Honestly, people will start asking how you get to know about this, or when do you start cooking tasty meals. Anybody that tastes your stew with whatever they are pairing it with will always want to come back. And the best part, your kitchen will start smelling amazing almost every time you cook. Trust me. Well, from now on, this might actually be my new favorite stew hack. Will you make this your own favorite stew hack? Hit me in the comment section and boost me a little, okay? Thank you for watching. Bye.